Will prices. The prices quoted to you are the starting prices, and they cover about 90% of our client's situation. But they can't cover everything. And some examples of situations that aren't covered are international wills. If you have property in several countries, we may need to make specific changes or requirements to have that property covered. Another example is if you have no idea who to appoint as your executor and you want to talk about your options, or maybe you wish to select a professional executor like a bank. Another example is disability or specific trusts. Some people have particular requirements for their children's trusts. We can draft trusts that meet your needs, but this may take additional time. If you want to control from beyond the grave, we can help you, but it takes time and, of course, more money. A final example is specific bequests. We all have a couple of things, such as rings or clocks, we want to give to somebody when we're gone. But some people take it to the next level and have a list of 20 or 30 items that they want to leave to people. It will take additional time and a lot more effort to create that in the document, so there is an additional charge. For your information, our will packages include the following time limits: a 1-hour initial meeting with a lawyer to obtain instructions. If at this meeting there's other information the lawyer may need, they'll give you a homework list, and we'd ask you to complete that and provide it back to us. After that meeting, the lawyer will begin drafting your documents, and we allow 1.5 hours for drafting time. This is what it takes to get the documents ready for you to review. After they've been drafted, we'll send them to you, and you can look at them in the comfort of your own home. That usually occurs about 10 days prior to signing. Once you've had a chance to rate your drafts, you'll contact our office and let us know of any changes you want to make to the documents. Most times those changes will be somewhere between 15 and 30 minutes. Now, if you look at the documents and think there's a ton of changes you need made to them, we will require an additional meeting to get together and make sure your concerns are addressed. The only thing I'd ask is that you let our office know at least 3 days before signing of any changes you want to have made, so we can make sure that they're ready for our final meeting. And last but not least, our 1-hour signing meeting. This is our final meeting together, and it's where the lawyer will meet with you and review the documents and let you know what they've written in your will. After that appointment, you'll sign your documents and go home with your originals. The only other hidden time that we have is on reprinting. If for whatever reason you need to reschedule our appointment, we may need to reprint the documents. And you'd be surprised how long it takes to print 100 sheets of paper. Because it does take time, there is a reprinting fee, and we'll let you know if that's required in your situation. Lawyers are selling their time, and we try to keep our rates reasonable by allowing our clients to work with our support staff. These staff have years of experience but haven't received a law degree. They've seen many situations and can likely help you through the majority of your questions and concerns. Like everything in life, you have to pay to play. Lawyer's time is like a parking meter, and you need to keep plugging the meter if you want to keep getting additional services and time with your lawyer. The fee you recorded does not allow unlimited edits, unlimited drafts, or unlimited time with your lawyer. What a law firm sells is time and expertise, and we do our utmost to respect your time, and we expect the same from our clients. We know you don't want to be disrespectful by using our time and not paying us for it. So how can you help us? In the will process, there are several ways that you can minimize your costs. When we send you the paperwork to fill, please fill it out and return it to our office. This allows you time to think about the questions we're going to talk about. It will enable you to take the time to make sure you have the correct spelling of people's names. Yes, we want their full legal name and their address. It allows us to use our meeting to discuss legal issues rather than the spelling of your niece's middle name. If you have questions or concerns, bring them along to the meeting and ask your lawyer. Go through that list. That's the best use of that time. If you need additional time, your lawyer can provide it.